The Poisson's ratio calculator determines the ratio of lateral strain to axial strain when a material is subjected to uniaxial stress. For the input fields, you'll need to enter two values. First is the axial strain epsilon axial, which represents the strain in the direction of the applied force. Second is the lateral strain epsilon lateral, which represents the strain perpendicular to the applied force. Then simply click the Calculate Poisson's Ratio button. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 0.001 for the axial strain epsilon axial and 10 for the lateral strain epsilon lateral. After clicking Calculate, the results show three important pieces of information. The Poisson's ratio nu equals negative 10,000.0000. The calculator identifies this as an auxetic material, which is rare. It also explains that this material expands laterally when stretched axially. This negative Poisson's ratio indicates an unusual material behavior, where the material actually gets wider when you pull it, rather than getting thinner like most materials would. This property is found in certain engineered metamaterials and specialized foam structures. Find the link in the description below.